Hey, good day, bro. Beside the crypto, nowadays we have another uncle asking about is digital marketing. What happened into the internet? So what happened is, most of us we don't realize. Actually, we have a filter on us. Every day when you woke up in the morning, you got the filter in front of you, but you don't even realize it. Okay, I'll give you an example like this. Let's say I holding up my girlfriend, we watching the sky together, and then suddenly it was raining. And what happened is my girlfriend will say, "Oh, babe, look at this, was so romantic." But for me, I was thinking is, "Oh my God, with this raining day, how my guy gonna go to work on site?" Okay, so this is one of the filter is inside us. The second filter is even worse because come to the internet on the website and every platform in the morning you woke up and log into it, no matter it's a Facebook, YouTube, Google, Safari, Instagram, all the platform they only will show you what you like to watch and what you're supposed to watch. It's not up to you. Actually, it's up to the platform. Remember what I said before is the if you not pay for the product, you are the product. Okay, so you have to get the concept right and how this digital marketing was playing in the market now. Okay, so get yourself ready, be open mind, and clean up your filter a bit now. So we're gonna go on for what happened to the digital marketing now. Let's see, here we go. Yes, digital marketing. Okay, here is what happened. You have to understand the world was changing already. So regardless what kind of position you are, you have to change your mindset already. You can do your own way. You can still run your business as usual. But what happened here is I'm just trying to share you the another way as well. Okay. um, that's why I say you need to clean up your filter. The only impossible junior is the one you never begin. Okay, if you don't think of take a action or don't think of to change, I knew change is very difficult for everyone here. Everybody was busy. And wherever unknown, human will be have a fear. We scare about what happened next. But no matter how, just get ready for your filter and just try to do it. Here's the story about the Tesla. In 2016, they're using one digital marketing method. It was blow up the mind of every car manufacturer at that time. If you realize last time how you're gonna buy your car, you're gonna call the salesman, walk into the showroom, you're gonna see the car, you're gonna test drive the car, then only you will make the purchase for it. Okay, but what the um, Elon Musk do in the for the Model 3 is here only three simple steps. At the initial page, you log in, you have to key in your name, email address, and your phone number. Just register yourself to get ready to watch the performance of Elon Musk. Okay, after that, you can start to purchase the car, and that's it. This marketing method we call it as a landing page. So it's not the old-fashioned website you're gonna list 100 or thousand of product for it. It's specific just for only one product. Then the result come out is Model 3 in one day have 180,000 order and come to the value of 7.5 billion. It was no way of other car manufacturer able to do that. in that time. Of course, the old traditional way is you have to do the TV broadcast, radio, newspaper, magazine, gathering your event. But you also can consider of the new way. What happened to the new way is most of the people wake up in the morning, they will spend their time on the Facebook, Google, YouTube, or the newspaper they used to read in the app. Some of them is even tied into the Facebook. That's why they don't even go to the actual newspaper app. And for old uncle like us, we probably will spend time on the Facebook and the YouTube. And for those who was under 30, most of the time they will spend time on the Instagram. Like teenager, they also like the Instagram. And the most popular one now is called TikTok as well. I think most of you already been swapping it. Kill some time, stress, relax. uh, Regardless what field you are in now, example like me, I used to have a meeting with the client. We do our proposal, we do our product demo. Uh, we gather 10, 20, or even in the event for up to 100 people. But somehow, most of my meeting today is changed to online already. So that is the change, that's the fact. So you just have to adapt on it. And next thing I want to show you is, handsome boy. Most of the lady will like guy like this, but for me, I will only like the Calvin Klein here. Okay, this is one of the guy who sell durian, and then he was go to gym every day. Okay, Jordan. Then Jordan is what happened is he do one step further. He recording down the jogging, the gym every day. The video he been captured, he just post it on the Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. In that way, he gather his fans. So when he have enough fans, the over 100,000, then what happened? He do one more step further. He come out the training course of about how he doing the gym, and he sell it for 69 USD. So what happened is that video make him become a millionaire because uh, previously the client he can engage is only of the Malaysia or Singapore or only the town area he has. But when he through the internet, the client he been engaged is actually no boundary at all. So he can selling the cars to the fans come from all different area from the world. Okay, so here's another story. Uh, Sifu Kairi, the Jaku Kairi also was very interested. He used to teaching in the high school, and then come out for teaching in the class. And when he's come to the MCO time, he become change the teaching method into online, and boom, another millionaire was created. Okay, and what interesting about this is even a 20 years old kid can do it. The kids was using create a program to help people doing the trading. And what happened is he also opened his class teaching people how to do the trading with the robot. And here you go, the kid also do it. All right, this especially very well recommended to someone like my brother. He's a lecturer in the college. Actually, he should do this as well, but we'll see. For uncle like us, we always have a mindset. Our filter inside us is always thinking impossible. Why? Because you're already in your comfort zone. So what drag you behind? You have so much excuse. You will say, I have too much work. I have the current work. Too much new thing to learn. I don't know how to do it. People around me say no, or waste of marketing money. Or some of them even say I tried before but it's not working. All of this I have been went through with it because up to 2014, 2016, I will stop my digital marketing because I went into a lot of government contract and corporate contract. So I also stopped the digital marketing at that time. But now is the time is turned into the different phase already. This is the reason why you can see uncle like me is also posting video right now. Okay, so be ready, uncle. It's impossible or I'm possible. It's depend of the inside you. When you get your mind clear and ready, then you are possible to do it. Just like me, to spend my time every day. I spend some time on it. I finish my certificate on Facebook as well. So what happened is, what next? What you need to do next? Okay, if you want to speed it up yourself, you can go study the Facebook blueprint by yourself. If you like to listen to the story, then I will spend my time and effort to create step-by-step module, and we can learn this together as well. Okay, so the next following video will come out 7 module. You got to decide who you want to reach. Okay, number 2, map the customer journey. How your customer gonna be engaged and how they gonna buy it. You have to set the journey for it. And number 3, we have to set the marketing goal. So we have to achieve something we able to achieve. Okay, don't set your target is I want to be IPO next week. It's not gonna happen. All right. Number 4, select your social media channel. This one is quite interesting because every platform now, like YouTube, Facebook, your WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, TikTok, actually they are targeted different audience. Okay, so different audience, we have to show them a different content. So that one I will go to it for the detail later. Number 5, you have to tell your business story. This one is a trick. This trick is actually they do have a pattern, a formula. You can tell the story about your business. So don't worry about it. When we go into it, I will give you the format for it and create manage the content calendar. Okay, so wherever YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, actually you need to have a schedule and decided what to post and when to post it. All right. Number 7 is very important. You have to create the real message. Don't do something too oversells. Okay, you can get slim in the next 3 days. This kind of fake news, please don't be a Donald Trump. All right. So this is considered like a trailer, telling you for the next 7 video is gonna coming out. And for the guy who like this video, please go click the like and share and follow or subscribe. Okay, for the uncle, I think most of the people still don't know about the app called Telegram. Please go to your Play Store or from the iPhone app to download it. Then after you download it, you can search for my address, and with that I will have all the PDF file or the module and format uploaded on the Telegram group. Okay, so that's about it today. And what important for me to see is, uncle, clean up your filter first. I just met a friend yesterday that told me that during to the pandemic was quite depressed, everything out of control, not in a plan. It's okay. That is a good time. We come here to learn the new thing together. Okay, take some time to learn on it, and then everything will be better. You just have to make sure your filter is ready for it. Okay, thank you.